guys, check it out. Oh wait, I gotta zoom out a little bit. Helicopter with the Vapormax. What a beautiful. All right, guys. So we got a review today. Nike Air Vapormax 3. Let's get right into the review. So these are the Volt. No, these are the Gunsmoke Thunder Gray Volt. So let's get right into it. All right. Standard Vapormax tagging or whatever. Boom! Damn. Now these, right off the bat, these remind me of my old Volts. The reason I got these shoes and why I chose these, because they reminded me of these bad boys. You see, this is like an old Vapormax scratched up bubble versus a new one, nice and crispy clear. But all right, let's get that out of here. Let's check out the other one. Ooh, I really like the little specks of Volt in there. Really well designed, actually. All right, do we got any other shoelaces? I mean, what color would you put? Volt laces? All right. So, spin off. All right, so right off the bat, beautiful shoes, man. Like, I feel like when you're running, like you got the Volt, like you charged up. You know, this reminds me of like, you know how you have like an iPhone and when you connect it and then it says charged and it has like the little green Volt thing. I mean, the green Volt thing, the battery thing. This is exactly what it reminds me of. So if you see me these on my feet, I'm charged up, you know. I ain't got no red battery, no yellow battery. You know, we green. Actually, it might be a little yellow. But now we green. All right, so the bottoms are black grips and nice clean green. They don't put the Volt anymore here. All right, let's look at the insides. Hold on. All right, so insides say Vapormax Plus. These are, of course, the Vapormax 3. I don't know. I have no idea why they put 4 pluses. But, so these are true to color. In person, as me looking at them, I'm sure. All right, so what we got? They're really nice shoes, man. We got the platy, nice face to it. All right. Check the sides real quick. Okay, so we got Vapormax right there. Vapormax right there. Straightforward, guys. This is a straightforward shoe. Nothing really like popping about it, but like it definitely does have like that nice, like it's a shoe that you could wear on the streets, like with jeans, because it from like, it's like when people wear a mullet, you know, like business in the front, party in the back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how they look outside. You know, I'm gonna put them on the feet. All right, guys, so this is how they look. Partial shade in the car. Like I said, guys, the Volt touch to the shoes are amazing, dude. Like, you can't really like see it on camera, but it makes a big difference. Like, without the Volt and the things or whatever, the shoe would be boring, but it's really nice. Look at that. All right, guys, let me show you guys out how they actually look out in the sun. About to go to the location. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is super Volt right here. So it gives you a comparison. I'm gonna be doing like a lanyard video comparing all the different colors of the lanyard, but definitely this shoe color here, definitely, like, you can see it's super bright, almost the same color as the lanyard. So Another thing I wanted to add to this is shoe outside cutters. This one doesn't have like a sparkle to it. Usually there's VaporMaxes, typically that are women's Nike Air VaporMaxes have a sparkle to the air bubble. But this one's straightforward, you know. Bringing the VaporMaxes outside to this playground here. We're gonna do some rock climbing here, just this little section. We're gonna see how well the VaporMaxes, you know, climb this little ladder thing, you know, get to the top. All right guys, remember safety first. Give these a little tie simply by pulling up on them, and then pulling up more, and then you got all this extra string. Another thing, guys, if you're watching this and you don't know how to tie your shoes, this is how you do it. Check it out. Just go up, cross it like an X, go underneath the X, and just make 2 little circles like so. Cross them like an X, put them under, and that's it. It's a little lazy tie, so that's one way to tie them. Here's another way. So you want to go ahead and pull, and if you want to keep this style, the way you do it is you go like this. Check it out. So you're gonna pull up, keep these together. You're gonna loop. This one's a lot harder, but it looks a lot fresher in my opinion. And then you're simply just gonna tie, and you're gonna do it again, same thing. And then you have the loop. So let's start it. Let's get it started. I'm about to climb up. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes, and if you prefer the VaporMax 3s over the VaporMax 2s. I'm gonna throw a few clips of the VaporMax 2s. But
pausing workout.
But we hear a helicopter somewhere. But check it out, guys. I'm trying to spot that helicopter for you guys. Guys, check it out. Oh wait, I gotta zoom out a little bit. Helicopter with the VaporMax. What a beautiful